A question we get all the time is what's the difference between the entry and the Pro Kit? The entry kit is just that. It's a great, easy, inexpensive way to get into outdoor and underwater photography, and it's a very simple system in that you get housing and the front glass. So at the end of the day, you still end up with professional results in that you can shoot through glass and you rely on the camera to do most of the work because you don't have rear glass, which means that you have to rely on the camera to do things like focus, etc. So you can still do framing, composition, etc. But without the rear glass, it's not quite the same as the Pro Kit. With the Pro Kit, you get no compromise. I use the analogy often of a doctor operating with gloves, but the glove is on the camera. So at the end of the day, after a while, you forget that Outex is on and you just shoot like you normally would. You've got optical glass in the front and it attaches to your thread just like a filter would, and we support all the different sizes. And you can purchase different sizes if you have different lenses and use it with the same Pro Kit. So your investment is protected and you don't need to buy multiple kits. You just buy the components you need. It's a bit like Legos. And then on the back, you also have glass and you can shoot like you normally would. So you get visibility both through the viewfinder and the LCD screen, and there's enough room that you can access all of your buttons and all of your controls even behind the glass. So there's no compromise in quality again, and you still have access to all of your buttons, knobs, and dials. And for the rear glass, we have a universal system, so it works again, allowing you room to access controls, but we have different brackets. So if you're using something like a very large format camera, you can use a long bracket instead of the standard bracket. The Pro Kit also comes in two sizes. We have the regular, which fits 80% of cameras, but if you are shooting on a large format camera like a 1D or a Nikon D5, you would want the large size cover.